Hi. So today we are actually changing to a different accommodation. We are going to go down to Lalomanu and stay at the Taufua Beach Valleys, and we're going to get a driver for the day so that we can stop at some of the attractions. So there's a few waterfalls and swimming places that we want to go to, and we're just going to see how much we can fit into the day, and hopefully it doesn't rain all day because it's rained the majority of our time here, but I suppose that's just what happens when you come during the cyclone season. So our first stop for the day is the Papaseea Sliding Rocks. And I was worried when we were coming here that there wouldn't be anywhere to change, but there are toilets, and so it's no problem. And down there, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the city of Apia. It's a pretty nice view, and you're surrounded by the mountains. The kids don't want to hold the railing just because it has ants. I don't know if you can see them all. These are going to be fun coming up. So we are just walking down to the Papaseea Sliding Rocks, which is our first stop for the day. We weren't going to come here, but our driver said it was good, so we've decided to give it a go. And we're not sure whether or not we're going in, so we're all just in our togs just in case. So Dale thinks that he's going to go and slide down the big slide, and he doesn't normally like the water. But our driver has said that he'll show him where he should slide. So it's going to be pretty funny if he goes.
I just want to dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright.
That was fun, but you get hit at the bottom. Look, I got hit on my arms. Man, I was like, whoo!
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
That was fantastic, but a bit rocky, so you probably want some aqua shoes, and it helps to have some local knowledge because we wouldn't have had a clue where to slide down if we didn't have it. So we just finished lunch. We went to Freddy's Mini Mart for some fish and chips, and we're saving the leftovers because the kids want to feed the dogs that we drive past.
I just want to spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright.
Alright, so we are at another waterfall, which was recommended to us by the information centre because it was a good place for kids to go swimming. They didn't really recommend the Papaseea Sliding Rocks, which I kind of agree with. It's more of an adult activity, but we still had fun anyway. And yeah, we actually really loved it.
This is the good life.
The rocks are really rough.
Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times.
We just finished at this waterfall. It was fantastic. We had the best time. The kids were looking for fish, and Summer built a rock castle, and Dale and I got to jump. The only downside is the rocks, so those aqua socks or shoes would be awesome because it's pretty rough on your feet, but we had the best time.
We continued our drive down to the Taufua Beach valleys, and we arrived just before dark. Oh, Piggy's crossing the road.
'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright.
So that is us for the day. We checked into the Taufua Beach valleys, but we're not in a valley because of the cyclone. They need to be waterproofed, and they're just having a few leaking issues with the weather, the way it is. But they look beautiful, and it was so beautiful driving up here, and they were really nice. We missed dinner. So dinner was at 7 o'clock. And we arrived at like 7:20, and it took a minute to get us checked in, and so they made us some dinner, which was really nice of them.
Oh, the lizard.
Where? Oh, I see it by the line.
Yeah, I see him. Just finish your dinner.
Just only down with it.
Yeah.